Today we're gonna cook lentils with vegetables. We will need lentils, crushed tomato, potatoes, garlic, pepper, bay leaves, onion, paprika, salt, wine, carrots, leeks, and of course olive oil. Before cooking, you have to put all the lentils in a bowl with some water and leave them at least 12 hours. Today we start cutting the leek, the garlic and the onions. When the garlic, the leek and the onion are ready, we put everything with a little bit of olive oil in a pot. We add also a little bit of salt and we wait 10 minutes. In the meantime, we cut the carrot and the pepper. Now we add everything in the pot and also the tomato and the bay leaves. Now we mix everything during 3 minutes.
Grabando.
We add half a glass of wine and we wait 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we add a little spoon of paprika and we mix again everything. And now we put all the lentils in a strainer and then we add them in the pot. We mix everything again. Now we cover all the pot with cold water and we wait 30 minutes.
Grabando.
Now, in the meantime, we cut 2 potatoes in small pieces. This is the final result of the potatoes. After 30 minutes, we add the potatoes and we wait another 30 minutes. If you need it, you can also more water. Now the lentils are ready to eat. Let's try them. Mmm.